In front of me is HUAWEI Mate X6 and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to hit Apps and Services. Then tap on App Twin, select the switcher next to one of your apps you wish to clone and wait. So now when I go back and check my app, I can see that it was successfully cloned. To delete this clone, go back to the same settings and use No Blue switcher. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!